Good morning. It's not morning, it's 12:26. And I have not been in this location in several weeks. I want to leave that on. Yeah. Taking the truck for a spin. Actually, we're going camping. Yep. We are going camping. Howdy, neighbor. Howdy, neighbor. Yeah, so. And first, I need to go to the grocery store for a couple of things. And I think we're going to eat while we're in town. So the puppy dogs are going to stay here for a little bit. Did I talk about you? Huh? Yeah. Does feel weird driving the truck. It's been a while. Alright. I'll go here and pick Deborah up, and then we're going to go to town. So we came down here to the lake, but this is the, what do you call it? Primitive, I guess. Non-approved. Deborah's walking the dogs. Yeah, you can just camp right here on the water. They have got it all pretty much taken up. There's 2 game wardens right there. Yeah, it's about 91 degrees out, but that water feels good. We made it to the lake. Looks like some rain back there. We probably won't get any. Been lots of boats and jet skis on the water today. It's cooling off with these clouds.
Now one of them's now there's 3 people in a kayak out there. Now one of them's they capsized. They're back on, and now one of them's standing and paddling.
Is it a paddleboard?
It's a kayak, I think. Here, come look before they get out of sight, because they're going.
So the clouds kind of dissipated, but this reminded me of the album cover of Who, not the Who, Boston. You can see it. So we got an afternoon snack. So we're gonna have a little bit of sushi. This is, oh, I don't know. It's kind of like a California roll. What do they call it? California combo. What are you doing? Bandit wanted some. All right, let's dig in. Good morning. Wow, that's a beautiful sight. So I got my Coleman stove out. I got my chuck box out. Got all our stuff ready for breakfast. And we're having chili killies. That's what you do with leftover corn chips. They get down to the nubbins. You make chili killies. All right, and I wanted a little meat with it, so I'm gonna cook this. I've never had the flavored Spam. So this is jalapeno on the stick. Never had jalapeno Spam, so I'm gonna cook that in that pan. Chili Achilles is going in this pan. And I need to open the sauce. Red enchilada sauce. Sammy says, what are you cooking? You wouldn't like it. No, it's got jalapenos in it. It's got jalapenos in it. Let's slice this up. See, you can't eat those. They become chili killies. Is it hot?
Mm-hmm. I said you didn't eat any?
I had a bite, yeah.
It's good.
This is jalapeno.
I can see that.
Oh, it is hot.
It's very hot.
Mm. Are you ready? It's chili killies time.
Woohoo!
Oh, maybe I'll plate it and then.
Watch out, Bando. Watch out, buddy.
He says what?
Yay! Chili killies. Haven't had chili killies in a long time.
In a long time.
And the Frito pie?
No,
That's part of the chili killies?
that's not Frito pie.
It's part of the chili killies?
Yes.
See,
You don't know what chili killies are, do you?
I just remember you cook it and it's good.
Yeah,
That's all I need to know.
that's chili
Oh,
killies.
man. I told you it's been a long time since I've had it.
Yeah,
Are you waiting on me to take a bite?
yeah.
Well,
See if it's any good
Oh, of course
before
it's
I eat.
Of course it's going to be good. Frugal RVer cooked it. I'm sorry. That's so much pressure.
This is pressure.
So
My
much
food's getting cold. Is it good?
Mm-hmm.
That's what you wanted, right?
Mm-hmm.
Special request, chili
Yes.
killies.
Thank you.
Yeah.
So good.
Chili killie.
Babies,
You're in-
how do y'all get so tangled up? What the hey?
Bandit's like, watch this. I'm going to strangle her.
It's like I've had enough of my sister for the day.
Sammy.
Samantha.
He's got you wrapped up, doesn't he? Oh, good.
Baby girl.
Way to go.
Oh, y'all did it on your own. Yay.
Way to go. Good girl.